Hello friends, I am Shushant Raghavan. Welcome to Technical and Quality Session. For understanding the technical requirements and quality standards in clothing industry, making a sustainable garment, I have good practical experience in the apparel manufacturing sector. My skills are CAD pattern making, sample development, technical requirements, and measuring quality performance. Today's session is about what is quality inspection and why it is so important. For more sessions like this, do like and subscribe to my channel. Now let's begin the presentation. What is quality inspection? To check whether the products meet the buyer's expectations. Quality inspection. A quality inspection is a series of activities such as examining, measuring and testing one or more products and comparing results with the buyer's requirements. The aim is to check whether the products meet the buyer's expectations, and the quality inspection will be done by a professional called the quality control inspector, an essential part of every production line. The inspector acts on behalf of the importer by checking the quality of the finished goods if they have any faults. In short, they help importers to achieve the standards it has in place on imports. For the success of any business, quality control is essential. Why? Achieving 100% perfection is impossible, especially when dealing with a large number of merchandises. During the production, variation in terms of skills applied and materials used are bound to happen, and the varieties in turn affect the overall quality of the product. Businesses need to conduct quality control and inspection to ensure that quality products reach buyers. This involves coming up with standards on what level of quality is acceptable. The goal is to confirm that the product meets the needs of the end user. Before products are shipped, the quality control inspector visits the manufacturer's premises to inspect the products. The inspector uses appropriate methods like the AQL sampling method to review the products to certify that they meet the required standards and importers' expectations. Duties of the quality control inspector. Some of the responsibilities of the quality control inspector include familiarizing himself with the buyer specifications, checking the production to ensure that it meets the required standards, asking for adjustments on the production process as appropriate, running test and inspection on the end products, taking measurements of the products, accepting and rejecting products that don't meet the standards, discussing with the manufacturers the findings of the inspection, submitting a report on the inspection process and the results. Duties of the quality control inspector. The quality control inspectors use various methods and tools when conducting the inspection. Depending on the nature of the goods being inspected, the choice of device to use vary. For instance, taking measurements can be done using measurement tools such as alignment gauges and calipers. Different tools apply to different products. Commonly used tools are tape measure, caliper, humidity meter, digital lux meter, level gauge, tension meter, color matching box, pull scale, thickness gauge, feeler, code scanner, defects label, and so on. During the inspection, quality control inspectors will record findings at every stage and compile test reports. When defects are discovered, the inspectors alert the supervisor or client who discusses with the manufacturer how the problem can be solved. Some inspection companies have an automated system of inspection. They usually have advanced systems installed on the different points of the production process. The job of the inspectors in such firms is to monitor the machines, review output, and inspect the products using random samples. Why quality inspection is important? Every year, the United States Consumer Product Safety Commission posts thousands of recalls. The products recalled, removed from shelves, and even destroyed are all defective in quality. They are either not suitable for consumer use in design or quality. For consumers, these problems may cause them to find it inconvenient to use the products, feel the quality is not reliable, and distrust the brand. For the sellers, whether it is retailers, importers, or manufacturers, these problems bring incalculable losses of real money. Inspection standard. There must be physical documents and credentials as references and benchmark before performing an inspection task. Purchase orders, packing list, specifications, technical specification, BOM, assembling instruction, performance request, acceptable manufacturing variations, acceptable tolerance, etc. Approved samples, original approved samples, red seal, initial production samples, green seal, shade bands, etc. Protocols, drop test requirements, strength requirements, heavy metal content requirements, etc. Certificates, tracking label for children's products, CE certificate for EU market, etc. Packaging requirements, packaging safety requirements, packing details, shipping marks, retail packaging details, etc. And other special requirements. Inspection report. Any form of quality inspection will eventually be reflected in a corresponding inspection report. A qualified inspection report shall contain at least the following information: customer information, customer name, country of origin, etc. Factory information, factory name, address, registration number, etc. Order information, PO number, order quantity, item number, product description, delivery date, packing requirements, etc. Sampling standard, applicable equal standard, percentage sampling, 100% inspection, batch sampling, etc. Classified defects description and list. Photos of evidence. Verification of other information, whether the factory cooperated with the inspection, whether the quantity completed is up to standard, whether the goods are stored at the registered address of the factory, whether illegal outsourcing of production is found, etc. Results, pass fail. Some clients might accept a pending result when there are uncertain issues. Signatures, inspector, factory representative. Why inspecting early is better? This is a crucial concept for any product developer because in the manufacturing world, the sooner we identify and eliminate errors, the better. It all follows the 110-100 ratio. First, they fall into three categories: development, production and delivery. Then once identified, all we can do is either prevent or correct them. According to multiple studies, there is a 110-100 cost time ratio between these three broad categories. In other words, identifying and correcting an error in production will likely cost you 10 times more in both time and money than it would be in development. Following the same error, an error will then cost you 100 times more to fix it when it actually reaches the consumers. Conclusion. Quality inspection is essential for any product or service. At this stage where most markets are competitive, quality is at the center of focus. It is a crucial tool that enables a business to win the trust of customers and project its image. But to meet the customers' expectations, traders need to have a reliable quality inspection system. With several products in the market, there are many standards from reputable bodies. The International Standards Organization (ISO) is one of the organizations that define the quality standards for various industries. Thank you for watching. For more sessions like this, do like and subscribe to my channel. Please comment your valuable thoughts and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified when I post a new presentation. Bye, have a good day.